이 책은 조지오웰의 고전 동물농장 영어 원문 전체를 수록하고 각 챕터별로 비판적 사고를 자극하는 토론 에세이 주제를 영어와 한국어로 함께 제공합니다. 동물농장은 권력, 혁명, 평등, 그리고 그 이면의 부패와 선동을 날카롭게 그려낸 풍자소설로 현대사회의 권력구조와 집단 심리를 이해하는 데 여전히 중요한 작품입니다. 이 책은 원문을 직접 읽으며 각 장면이 던지는 질문을 스스로 생각하고 토론할 수 있도록 설계되었습니다. 고전을 깊이 있게 읽고 자신의 생각을 논리적으로 표현하고 싶은 독자에게 최고의 길잡이가 될 것입니다.
Animal Farm, English Text and Socratic Workbook includes the complete English original of George Orwell's classic, Animal Farm, and provides thought-provoking discussion and essay prompts for each chapter in both English and Korean. Animal Farm is a sharp satire that explores power, revolution, equality, and the underlying dangers of corruption and propaganda, making it a vital work for understanding modern power structures and group psychology. This book is designed to let readers engage directly with the original text and reflect on the questions each scene raises, encouraging independent thinking and debate. It is the perfect guide for readers who wish to read a classic deeply and express their ideas critically and logically.
조지오웰은 인도에서 태어난 영국 작가이자 언론인으로 명료한 문체와 사회 부조리 비판으로 유명합니다. 대표작 동물농장과 1984는 전체주의와 권력의 위험성을 날카롭게 고발하며 오늘날까지 정치와 사회에 깊은 영향을 미치고 있습니다. 오웰은 스페인 내전 참전 등 직접적인 사회 참여를 통해 얻은 경험을 바탕으로 자유와 정의, 진실의 가치를 강조했습니다. 그의 작품은 권력, 언어, 집단 심리에 대한 통찰을 제공하며 현대 사회의 민주주의와 비판적 사고의 중요성을 일깨워줍니다.
George Orwell was a British writer and journalist born in India, renowned for his clear prose and incisive critique of social injustice. His major works, Animal Farm and 1984, sharply exposed the dangers of totalitarianism and the abuse of power, continuing to influence politics and society today. Drawing on direct experiences such as fighting in the Spanish Civil War, Orwell emphasized the values of freedom, justice, and truth. His writings offer profound insights into power, language, and group psychology, reminding modern readers of the importance of democracy and critical thinking. Chapter 1. Mr. Jones, of the Manor Farm, had locked the hen houses for the night, but was too drunk to remember to shut the pop holes. With the ring of light from his lantern dancing from side to side, he lurched across the yard, kicked off his boots at the back door, drew himself a last glass of beer from the barrel in the scullery, and made his way up to bed, where Mrs. Jones was already snoring. As soon as the light in the bedroom went out, there was a stirring and a fluttering all through the farm buildings. Word had gone round during the day that old Major, the prize middle white boar, had had a strange dream on the previous night, and wished to communicate it to the other animals. It had been agreed that they should all meet in the big barn, as soon as Mr. Jones was safely out of the way. Old Major, so he was always called, though the name under which he had been exhibited was Willingdon Beauty, was so highly regarded on the farm that everyone was quite ready to lose an hour's sleep in order to hear what he had to say.